Wow, this is very fun war.
Hey there, guys. It's Jetfire here from SPERES with
S-Man.
and today we are playing some Running with Rifles, which is a top-down shooter. I guess people have called it a 2D Battlefield.
It's it's very immersive for
really
2D,
big maps,
top-down
huge
shooter.
battles. It's pretty cool.
Early
yeah.
access on Steam.
Yeah, it's an early
Be sure to
access game
support
on
them.
Steam.
It's a very good game.
So hopefully we might play a few
We'll
games
get some good.
of it and stuff.
We'll get some good recording.
We'll see you in game. Hey, haha, we're back, guys. Yeah, that was sort of dumb of us.
Hey, I have a question.
What?
Why did they name it Running with Rifles when it should be Running with Spears?
Yeah,
like
well,
everybody knows that GameSpear is like the best gaming channel ever.
It should be.
Okay, well I'm the one that's teabagging the road, splashbagging the road. So now I'm kind of teabagging it. I'm splashbagging it. All right. Let's stop being douchey to the road and let's go.
So this is basically the game. I mean, as you can see.
All right. So I saw there was a lot of brown up here. So just stay alert. And let's make a left over here. Up to our that's a green. All right, let's push up behind this one building right here. Dolphin dive. Oh god, this guy on the roof. Be alert. Oh god. Oh,
I'm out of ammo. My god.
Yeah, you gotta watch because there's no auto reload. I'm going up onto the roof. If I can find a ladder. Oh, it's over here.
Ah, I got shot.
Go. Oh my god, there's brown, there's gray, there's green, all in one spot. Oh god! Grenade! Oh, come on! I pelted like 10 rounds from that guy, and then he puts one in me and I'm dead.
Ah! All these brown troops! We're taking heavy enemy fire! Ah! I got shot!
Go! Alright, meet me on top of that, on the top of that building that I was at. Go! No, that's too risky. Let's flank them. Come back. I'll retreat. I'm retreating. There's too many of them.
I'm all the way back to facing. Oh my god.
Oh god! They have a jeep. No. Oh!
Ah!
There's 2 jeeps. Crap.
They're invading our base! Fall back!
I love how you say fall back, but you start running back into like the battle. And get in. Alright. There we go.
Where are you?
You see that palm tree? Yeah, I'm in those bushes right there. See? It's a really good spot because you can't really see me. And I can shoot through the fences because it's fences. Alright, let's push up. Looks like we wiped them out right here.
Around.
But they still have more reinforcements up there. Oh yeah, there's more up here. Come on, we need all the help we can get up here.
Also, guys, sorry if the game crashes at some point because it is still in beta. So
I haven't experienced crashes yet. Knock on wood.
Reload.
All right, stay behind this rock. Make sure.
We're taking enemy.
All right.
Fall back.
Hold your ground. No, don't fall back. You're gonna die. Actually, that was probably the better idea. I got consumed.
You're gonna
come up by this ladder right where I am. See
I'm coming. Oh god, we got barrage back there.
Now, let's try to find a jeep and let's flank them. Press space. Yeah. All right. Good job. Now let's even though it's very tempting, the better idea is to flank them. So. Even though it might be a little bit more boring, it's better for our team. Oh, actually, hold on. I forgot. I don't have a radio yet.
Actually, do I have
Here,
any?
you look for a boat. You look for a boat, I'll look for a Jeep.
Well, actually, there's a boat. Oh, there's no boat at this base, but there's a boat, a rubber boat, weighs... Steven, where are you? Come back.
Oh, shoot, I just threw a grenade. Oopsie, I wasted my grenade.
How do you?
Oh, yeah, there's a rubber
Ready?
boat all the way over there. Let's
How
go.
do you? Oh, that's how you talk.
Hey, you.
Go. How do you talk? Wait, how do you, after you type it in?
Well, H is to use your radio.
No, but I mean, like, when you're typing. I know, like, how do you...
Want to enter?
Yeah.
Hit enter. Just hit enter. I know it's a little confusing because...
It's not, did I even say it? I don't even know.
Yeah, you are. You're saying it right now. Come on. Waste
Sorry.
of time. So, are we just going after the rubber boat again? No, we should actually... Water is so overrated. We should just go on the beach right here.
No, rubber boat. Flank the
Yeah, I
end.
know. It's right here. War is so overrated, though. I'd rather sit in this chair right here.
Can you actually hop up on the chair? No, you can't. That sucks.
No.
You want to drive?
Alright.
Or I'll drive.
How the hell? Oh, you're driving.
I am? Okay, get in.
Yeah.
Maybe
Alright,
you want to
don't
be in
be-
the
don't-
front, or...
Yeah, actually, yeah, stop it.
Dun, 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 dun. Like there?
That's the best I can do.
Okay.
Alright, now don't be a jackass and run it into, like, an island or something.
Okay, so where is a good place to go?
We should go to,
Yeah.
F7. F7.
Okay. Guys, we'll
F7
be
looks
right
like a
back.
good place.
Hold on. Hey there, guys. We're back. Sorry. Just had to go do something real fast. But, we're back. So, yeah.
So,
Let's go to the bridge.
I just kind of found this out, is that my name is
Shoot him!
Sleetus. Oh no, you can just run him over. Oh, or not.
No.
Well, my name is Sleetus Nukem, and I kind of find that ironic, like Nukem, you know. Well, like I said, let's go to F7.
We got enemy fire! Oh
Oh
no!
God, Evan, go back. Oh, I'm dead anyway, and all of
I'm
us
dead
are
as well.
Okay. All right. Well,
Oh, I found
I'm
you,
at
hey.
E6. Oh, we spawned at the same spot. Well, look at do.
Are
yeah,
any of
we're
the
at the
actual
front lines.
people here
Oh God,
AI?
they're coming up here. No, they're all real people. We got enemy coming.
Oh
Make sure you
God!
crouch once you're reloading and all. They're coming up the ladder.
I'm
Heading
dead.
back over here. Come back where we were.
Let's move.
Cause I need a lot of help.
Where are we actually? I am...
Oh God, I just got shot. Yeah, dude, they're like swarming. Alright, I spawned like relatively close. Oh, I see you. I'm right behind you. Oh God, take cover, take cover. No, dude, it's a suicide. They're all over there. Stay behind. I know it might sound weird, but stay behind the bush.
Up over
Actually, I'm pushing up. I'm going up that on the top of that hill. I mean that top of that building. Let's go. Make sure you go prone. Shit. I accidentally walked off
Wait, how do you
the
prone again?
building.
Yes. Prone.
See. Alright. Wow, that guy's using rocket launcher. Oh yeah, I don't know about you, but I'm gonna push up even further. Looks like we could use extra help.
Oh God! Go, 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 go! Yeah! Ah!
Yeah, I'm getting on this roof. Crap, I'm glitched out. Okay, there we go.
Reload, reload! Oh God, Gray Team came to crash the party! Ah!
Yeah, I know, right? Like, get out of here. Nobody likes you, Gray Team.
I need reinforced. god, they're like coming from all sides. Right?
Yeah. Oh crap.
Like why? What is like gray and brown in a tree or something?
I know, right? Probably are. Because green is America, and then the other are probably like communism countries.
I think they're just supposed to be.
Yeah. America.
Steven, I think this game is supposed to bring you back to your childhood days when you played with farm soldiers. Because they all look the same.
This means business.
Steven, they all look the same. They just have different guns and different colors.
America.
Just like toy soldiers. Gotta get those.
Well, I gladly disagree. I think that this is a metaphor for how the world is like today, just a mass murder.
It's not totally like that, Steven. Keep up the heavy fire.
We're pushing them back to the beach.
Let's move. Oh god, fall back!
Oh, I saw you get exploded by that grenade. I was on that rooftop. Oh god, I'm under heavy fire. Yeah, snipe him.
Oh, you're that guy up there. LMG grenade.
Yeah, I'm that guy.
Get down! Load. Oh, I don't think they actually are.
America.
Gray and brown are fighting each other. A three-way battle.
This is insane.
Because there's like everybody like just from all sides. Just, like,
Yeah, you don't.
you may be attacking one side, but the other side's just gonna come around and flank you, and then you get slaughtered.
Yeah, like you don't know who to shoot at. Wow, all the fire, all like the fire just like ceased. Hey, wait for me, I see you. Just hold on.
What the heck? Is that guy dead or something? Did the game just freeze or something?
Yeah, I got that too. The
All
gray
the
team
gray
is not
team.
moving.
Gray
But the
team?
brown team is perfectly fine.
Can you kill brown? Did everybody on gray team just leave?
Oh no, brown team are moving, but I'm shooting someone and he's not dying. And he's like running into a wall too. Yeah, I think the server might have derped.
Yeah, just tell you guys, sorry about anything that happened, but you know this isn't.
Yeah, everybody's just like running around. Yeah, I love how it's never been like this until right now when we just like, you know, like I've been playing this for like a good bit, and it's never been like this until now.
Yeah, it seems like the server may have crashed or something. I don't know, but sorry if things like this happen, guys, but that's how it works when a game is in beta. I guess we'll come back when we figured out the problem.
I guess we'll come back when it's not derping.
Yeah, so we'll be back. Hey there, guys, it's Jetfire here. We're back finally. Sorry, the glitch that we just had. It was a while back, and we had another glitch, and now it should be all fixed, hopefully.
But don't worry, don't act like this game is just a bunch of glitches.
It isn't.
Yeah, I know. It's fairly stable actually, to be honest.
Just while recording, it's a bit of a challenge,
because recording, yeah.
And also, I mean, like, I don't know. Yeah. Where are you?
I'm all the way up at the front lines where like everybody is. At that red marker thing. You see that? On the mini map.
Jetfire S-Man. Okay. I'm a darker red color, so.
Yeah, I'm pretty dark red too.
Oh, my red is darker.
Oh, I think I see you. Yep.
Oh! Fall back.
Oh, dude, get where I am. Oh, nope, never mind, because I just died.
There's a lot of enemies in the area I am in.
Same. We're in the same area.
The gray team's held up in a fort, or was. Go, 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 go.
Oh my god. Go, go, go.
Oh, never mind, never mind. Oh, is that you? Oh yeah, hey dude.
Oh!
Did you just get shot?
No, I didn't get shot. I just stopped and dived. Here, I think that might be you over there, actually. Oh no, you're darker red.
Yeah, that's, oh, that's not. Is your name? Oh no. Oh, that's you, that's you. No, that's not. Where are you?
I'm in the square.
Oh, I found
I
you.
see you on the mini-map.
I found you, I'm right here. Red team, let's move out. Dun-dun-dun-dun-dun. Oh no!
Get in the truck.
Stop, buddy. Okay.
No, actually, that's suicide. Don't get in.
I'm not. Down. Oh, there's an enemy right over there. Reload, reload.
Open fire. Actually, get in the Jeep.
Oh!
Oh god!
So many.
That's OP. Okay, did you spawn at that truck too?
Yeah.
Follow me. Let's go.
No, you want to get in a truck or no?
Oh, actually, yeah.
Okay, I'll get in the other side.
You can get in the passenger or the back.
Get other people in it. They're gonna.
Yeah, I'll wait. Yeah. Get in. Or not. Okay. Whatever. I was just
What's
run over
starting in
everybody.
30 seconds?
Oh god.
Oh!
Oh crap. Well, that serves you right for getting in my way, people.
Don't drive that fast, Steven. You knew they were right there, Steven. You don't drive that fast right through your own team. Oh, look! My whole team's in front of me. Let's mow over them because they're totally not there. Oh.
Game, bounce over.
Oh.
We gotta get a freeze.
I got nervous there. I'm like, crap. Hey guys, it's Jetfire from GameSpear, and I'm really sorry, but the last part of this video got sort of messed up with the recorder, so really sorry that we couldn't bring you that, but yeah, hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe, and hope to bring you better videos, not messed up, in the future. Bye.